From the moment you start earning money, there's a system quietly shaping how you use it. You're taught to work, spend, and repeat. Earn a paycheck, pay your bills, enjoy what's left, then start over again next month. It feels normal. It feels responsible. But over time, that cycle keeps most people in the same financial position for years. Not because they're lazy, but because they're following a financial script. Today, we're doing a deep dive into why most people are programmed to stay broke and how to break free. Consider subscribing to Wealtiny, liking the video, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss these insights. Let's start with the idea of programming. It's about learned behaviors that become our default settings, shaped by upbringing and society. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. The new factory-based economy needed a specific type of worker, someone punctual and obedient. You learn how to get a job and follow a schedule. You're taught how to earn money, but not how to grow it. When you work for a wage, your income is tied to your time. But capital money that's invested works for you 24/7. Another layer is the socialization of scarcity. Hearing we can't afford that installs a belief that money is inherently scarce and difficult to obtain. This scarcity mindset is a perfect playground for the consumer dopamine loop. When you buy something new, your brain releases a small hit of pleasure. You're on the hedonic treadmill. You buy to feel happy. The happiness fades, so you buy something else to get that feeling back. Wealth building requires you to go against the current. You don't build wealth by intention alone. You build it by changing your defaults. Now, let's visit our tiny town. For generations, the residents followed the same script. Work, get paid, spend, and save a little. Then, one resident used extra coins to buy seeds and planted a garden. Soon, her garden produced more than she could eat. She wasn't just spending. She was creating something that produced more money. Her return on capital was greater than her return on labor. The town's economy began to transform. They were breaking their programming. But many face a financial glass ceiling created by loss aversion. So, how do we deprogram? First is awareness. You have to consciously recognize the invisible scripts you're following. Second is systemization. Create your own system that makes wealth building the default. Pay yourself first with automatic transfers. Implement a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. Simple delay short circuits the dopamine loop. The final step is action. Pick one habit to change this week. Small, consistent actions are what rewire your brain. The path to financial freedom isn't about earning a massive income overnight. It's about shifting from being a consumer to becoming an owner. Are you in control of your financial decisions, or are you following a script you never wrote? Thanks for watching.